Guys, now we will create a program to check whether the number is prime or not. So let's begin it out. We check is prime or not. Now we will start our program with the next line. N equal to I and take int input enter number. This line will give user to enter a number for I in range 2 to n. Now this line will form I, which is equal to number in range 2 and the number which we have added. The remainder n equals to n mod I. It will check whether the enter number has a factor or not. If remainder equal to 0, we will check. It will check whether the remainder is equal to 0, and if it is equal to 0, then the program will print n1 is not prime. Now we will end this program by this. If condition will not satisfy, then we will add a else condition. Else the program will have to print n is prime. Now we will simply save it and check whether the program is working or not. Prime 123.py. Now and we will enter number 3, and we know 3 is a prime number. Now let's check it out what program will tell us. 3 is prime. Now by this we can say that our program is working. Let's check it out once again. We have to add number 9, and we know 9 is not a prime number. Now let's check it out. 9 is not prime.